everyone, I am back with another video. I am going to show you guys how I removed pink hair dye from my 613 hair. So let's get into it. So this wig I've had for about 2.5 years. This is what she looks like. A bit crazy. I really wanted to turn it brown, so that's why I did this. Now the first thing you're going to do is steam water. You don't want to boil it because you will damage the hair. Then I just got this random $7 shampoo from my beauty supply store and some dish liquid. So I went ahead and poured the steaming water and the shampoo and dish liquid in my little bathtub there. As soon as I stuck the wig in, the pink dye started to run immediately. So that was a good sign. So this is the first time. I let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes every time. So this is after the first try. And I drained all of the water and did the whole process over. This is after the second try. I was really getting frustrated because I'm like, hold on, like, but you can see the result a bit, but I'm just like, well, one thing that I noticed is I had seen a girl on YouTube that removed green hair dye from a wig, but I'm missing the baking soda, so maybe that is the reason why. But I just wanted to see if I could achieve this color removal without said product, and this is how it came out, you guys. Like, I'm very satisfied with the results. So yeah, if you guys like this, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, you guys. Make sure you do that. And also, I will be doing another tutorial on turning this wig brown, and then I will be doing another one to see if I can remove the green dye from this using the baking soda and all of that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.